data analysis is complicated, you should think again. Because Claude just released a data analysis feature that allows you to turn raw data into charts, graphs, and insights with just a simple chat, which has totally transformed how we can work with data. And there are so many different things that you can do with this update. No more complex tools or endless spreadsheet formulas. Claude can handle it all with just a few simple prompts. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know to get started, including some powerful demos showing you how you can visualize, analyze, and gain insights from your data faster than ever before. Whether you are a data pro or just looking to make your life easier, this feature is a game changer. Let's jump in and see what it can do. Before we get started, you need to activate Claude's data analysis feature first. You can head over to your profile settings in Claude and look for this feature preview section. Once you are there, you will see this option to enable the data analysis tool. Just toggle that on and you are all set. Now, that is activated, let's make sure we have the right data format to work with. Claude currently supports CSV files, which makes it easy to upload structured data, like spreadsheets or database exports. So make sure your data is saved as a CSV file before uploading it for analysis. Once you've got that ready, we are all set to start exploring the possibilities with Claude's new tool. Alright. Now let's dive into some live demos. I've downloaded this user behavior dataset, and I will use this file as an example. This dataset includes information like device model, operating system, app usage time, screen on time, battery drain, and more. I will walk you through 3 use cases to show you how Claude can help visualize and analyze this kind of data. If you are following along, feel free to pause as needed to match each step. First, let's analyze trends across categories. For this example, we will look at how app usage time varies across different operating systems. This can help us understand if there's a significant difference in usage between such as Android and iOS users. To start, you need to upload your CSV file first, and I already dropped the file here. You can also click the upload icon to upload your file. Once it's uploaded, we're ready to ask Claude to analyze it. Now, I will type the following prompt. Analyze this data and create a bar chart, comparing the average app usage time in minutes per day across different operating systems. This will show us how daily app usage varies by operating system. Let's send this off, and Claude will process the dataset and generate a bar chart showing the average app usage time for each operating system. Alright, it's right in the code. Now we can see a bar chart that shows the average app usage time for Android and iOS. You will notice that each bar represents an operating system, which allows us to quickly see if there's a noticeable difference. To make this chart look a bit more polished, I will prompt Claude with switch to dark mode, add data labels on each bar, and adjust the legend placement to the upper right. Alright, it's updating the code again. Within seconds, Claude updates the chart in dark mode with data labels to make it easier to read and more visually appealing for presentations. It also provides you with some quick questions you can ask after you upload the file. You can click any questions you might be interested in, such as this one. And then it will fill out this prompt inside the text input box. And you can change the prompt if you want. Hit enter. It will provide you answers based on this query. Sometimes it takes a minute, sometimes it takes just a few seconds to complete the task. Next, let's visualize the distribution of users by device model, which will show us the parts of a whole. For this, I will ask Claude to create a pie chart showing the top 5 device models by the numbers of users. Our dataset is already uploaded, so we are ready to go. I will type in prompt asking for specific information. Now I will type, show the top 5 devices models by user count as a pie chart. Claude will analyze the data, find the 5 most common devices, and generate a pie chart representing each device's share among users. Then Claude creates this pie chart, which lets us see the relative popularity of each top device model. It shows us the top 5 device models are iPhone 12, Google Pixel 5, OnePlus 9, Samsung Galaxy, and Xiaomi 11. It also provides the key findings on the side, but we can add it to the chart as well. We can say, include these key insights below the chart, then it will update the chart on the right side with the key insights. Finally, let's look at the scatter plot to explore correlations in our data. Specifically, let's analyze the relationship between screen on time and battery drain. This can help us spot patterns or outliers in battery performance across users. For this query, I will type create a scatter plot showing the relationship between screen on time in hours per day and battery drain. This will allow us to see if higher screen on time correlates with more battery drain. Claude processes the data and generates a scatter plot where each point represents a user's screen on time versus battery drain. This helps us see if there's a general trend. For instance, whether more screen time consistently leads to higher battery consumption. To make this scatter plot even more insightful, let's add a few extra elements. I will start by asking Claude to adjust the point sizes based on the number of apps installed for each user, so we can see if app count correlates with the battery drain. I will type adjust the point size based on the number of apps installed and add labels for the top 5 users with the highest screen on time. After sending this prompt, Claude is rewriting the code to adjust the scatter plot to make larger points for users with more apps, to help us see if there's any link between app count and battery usage. Additionally, it labels the top users by screen on time to make those key data points stand out. Now, let's take it a step further and build an interactive analytics dashboard to bring multiple insights together in one place. We will still in this same chat thread, so Claude will use the user behavior data we've already uploaded before. I will start by typing a single prompt to create a multi-tab dashboard. Each tab focuses on different aspects of the data. I will ask Claude, create an interactive dashboard with tabs for different visualizations. One tab for app usage time by device model, another for battery drain versus screen on time, and a third for data usage by operating system. Please include a summary of key insights for each tab. Let's send this off. Claude now will generate the dashboard, creating separate tabs for each data relationship. Alright, now the dashboard is ready. Let's quickly go through each tab. In the first tab, we have app usage time by device model, which shows how different devices vary in their daily app usage. In the second tab, we see battery drain versus screen on time, which helps us identify devices that may consume more power based on screen activities. And in the third tab, we have data usage by operating system to help us compare how much mobile data Android versus iOS users consume on average. Beneath each chart, Claude includes a brief summary with the key findings. So, for instance, it points out which device model has the highest average app usage, or which OS is the most data intensive. This multi-tab setup makes it easy to switch between different insights, all within a single interactive view. With just one prompt, we now have a full interactive analytics dashboard that's ready to explore. Before we wrap up, let's also talk about some important limitations and best practices when using Claude's data analysis feature. First, keep in mind that the data accuracy of the visualization and the insights Claude generates depends on the quality of the data you provide. If your input data is inconsistent or incomplete, the results might not be fully reliable. It's always a good idea to review your dataset beforehand to ensure it's clean and accurate, so you get the best results from Claude. And it's like any other tools, Claude's data analysis feature has its limitations. Sometimes you might encounter small bugs, and very large datasets may cause delays or even fail to load properly. This feature is evolving, so while it's powerful, it's not yet suited for massive enterprise-level datasets. Despite these limitations, I still encourage you to experiment with this feature using smaller datasets to see its full potential. Testing different types of data and prompts will help you get more comfortable and understand how to use Claude effectively. Alright, I hope this walkthrough showed you how easy it can be to generate insights and visualizations with just a few prompts. Whether you are analyzing trends, visualizing distributions, or building dashboards, this tool is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more AI tips and tutorials. Also drop a comment below with any questions you have, or let me know what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.